Okay. So the now you or I think that some of you usually conducted the transit assignment. And then the input files, the list of the input files and the list of the output files can be referred. Then you can see this information's initial load. Yeah, initial loads. In the output files, the initial loads can be generated as the IRE files, which is a highway traffic assignment informations. Then sorry. When the generalized cost is calculated by using is calculated by using the slowest link velocities among the following three items. Yes. Now you can remember that there is yes, adjustment factors of the transit speed 0.8. Yeah. If for example, this is a gong road and some BRT line 3 is proposed, and the V max of the max velocity of the gong road is assumed to be the 60 kilometer per hour. On the other hand, BRT is just a 30 kilometer per hour is specified. So the travel speeds of the buses is just might be the 60 kilometer per hour multiple 0.8 kilometer per hour. So as a result, 48 kilometer per hour should be specified. In that cases, compared with the ordinary buses on the Gong roads and the developed BRT, yes, 45 kilometer per hour, BRT is 30 kilometer per hour. As a result, then the travel speed is faster in the ordinary buses than the BRT. In that cases, then when you read some initial load, meaning the highway traffic assignment result using this same with this network files. And sometimes it is supposed that only private road, private transit, private vehicles, including their motos and private cars, taxi, or freight traffics. Then the traffic conditions, excluding the public transports, also can be generated. According to the initial road traffic assignment results, then the travel speed in the Gong Road can be compared as a 15 kilometer per hour. Yes, these figures is the specified. So the travel speed by the Gong Road ground sections is 15 kilometer per hour. However, the BRT sections which is dedicated to BRT sections and the travel speed of the 30 kilometer per hour is secured. Everyone use the BRT. Like this, then the link velocities and the initial load files is used. And the second one, yes, scheduled line speed, which is specified in these items. And so, for example, when you develop the ordinary bus route along these sections, you can specify the slower travel speeds considering the actual road conditions in the sections. So, for example, you can specify the travel speed of along these sections is 15 kilometer per hour, so 150s, and in the BRT sections, 300 multiple 0.1 kilometer per hour can be specified. Through this result, then you can estimate that so that there's many passengers will choose the BRT instead of the ordinary buses. So there are two. Well, if you would like to reflect the actual conditions specific by the among the road traffics among the cities. It is recommended to develop the initial road traffic OD tables. However, if you want to skip the such kind of method estimations, you can just specify that in this congested sections, the travel speed should be slower. So the only typing the 15 km per hour of the travel speeds by the sections. Then some other demand forecasting software, which is called as the City Lab Cubes, some loop calculations functions is installed. For example, the preload highway assignment was conducted. Then based on the assignment result, the travel speed by the sections, by the road sections, can be estimated. From using this network files, the transit assignment was conducted. Then based on this result, the traffic volume by the public transport by sections is generalized. Then from this result, then the traffic assignment is conducted. The traffic assignment by the private vehicles is conducted. From this result, transit assignment is conducted. From this result, highway assignment is result. Such kind of loop calculations can be conducted as a functions of the demand forecasting software. This is the difference between the very expensive demand forecasting software and the free of charge demand forecasting software. So you need to understand that there is some limitations of the each software and each advantages of each software. Then when you specify the interzonal impedances of the transit assignment result, and the Samuelson also and exported the interzonal impedance in the step 3 folders. So you can read the zonal impedance of the matrix manipulators in the JICA Strider. So from zone 1 to zone 2, 3, 4, 5 to the 17, then the generalized cost by the travel OD pair can be generated. So from this result, for example, some routes in some OD pairs, for example, from zone A to zone there, so many transfer are required. So the transit generalized cost in the specific OD pairs will be very high. In that cases, there is no public transport no trips by the public transport because it is very inconvenient to move from this zone to zone B. So that if this figures can be reflected to the demand forecasting phases, so the mode choice stages of in the four-step estimations, so that you can improve the accuracies or quality of the demand forecasting model also. However, as I explained or previously, then I have never developed the transit network in this project. Why? You are lazy. But there is no information of the public transport in the Nairobi metropolitan area. If you can provide, you must provide. Yes. So to develop the OD tables, to develop the more improved OD tables, as the NAMATA, yes, public transport monitoring authorities, it is recommended to develop the transit networks as a basic infrastructures of the public transport plannings. So I would like you, the Samuel-san, to share the screen and let's see the high transit assignment result by highway reporter.
Okay, so once again, you're going to open the highway reporter. And then from the highway reporter, you're going to open transit results. Step 3. And then the network is this one, .int. Then, okay.
Then you can select all.
Oh, I see.
Yes, this one show in the sectional passenger traffic volumes by the links. So this one showing the link names, all transit lines, result of the all transit lines in the cities, and you can select the route specific traffic volumes or mode specific travel volumes. Then if you would like to calibrate the more specifically, so you need to collect the actual record, statistical record of the public transport riderships by the route. So you can compare with the actual passenger volumes of the each transit network result. Then you can push the transfer button in the contents. And please again check the result files also. Yes. Then according to the number of yes, you can see the legend. How many passengers is arrived, how many passenger board, and how many passenger transfers also can be visualized. So there you can specify, and there is a so-called active transit point or active boarding alighting point for the sections. So there it is used for the 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 public transport facility, the facility plan source. And again, let me go back to the every pages. So as shown in this, I explained about the series of the transit assignment, which shall be developed in the next near futures of these cities as the public transport demand forecastings. So yes, and the transit informations. Yes, there must be computerized as not only for the conducting the transit assignment, to the public transport informations can be stored in the fixed or the common format of for their every end users, including the citizens and the public transport researchers, consultant, and of course the public transport authority officers, including you. So it is recommended to develop the transit information databases. So and you know that there is some digital matters project, which is the to develop the general transit feeding specifications so that every public transport information is navigated by the Google Map or other public transport applications. But however, in my opinions, the quality of GTFS developed in the digital matters is very terrible. So it is better to develop in some specific formats, so to develop the public transport to update the digital matters GTFS is also one of the options to provide the more advanced the transit network plannings for the cities. So then the next steps, it is recommended to conduct the digitalizations of the public transport informations.